another video on my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Cherie Elise. Thank you for clicking on my video. So I hope this video is very helpful and informational for you. So first of all, I'm actually going to be collabing with someone for the first time in my video. So yay! So I'm going to be collabing with this beautiful young lady. She goes by OMG, it's NunuBardi. So I will have her information, her channel, and her Instagram account linked down below, so you can go support her, go check out her videos, go show some love and support on her Instagram and her channel and video. She is also going to be doing an unboxing with BoxyCharm as well, so be sure if you enjoy unboxings to go and check hers out after you get through with mine. So let's just go ahead and hop into this video. This is going to be August 2019 unboxing and a little bit of try on. As you can see, I have most of my face done, so we're just going to try on the rest of the products in this box. So if you want to see what I received in my August BoxyCharm, then just keep on watching. The theme for this box is totally BoxyCharm. I'm totally digging this theme with the pink and everything. It's really cute. And a fun little quick fact, this is my birthday month. The first item I'm going to pull out the box is this product that I do already have on right here. And so this is the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. You gently squeeze the tube and release 2 to 3 drops on your fingertips. You rub them together and then massage into your skin. So I actually do love this this product right here so far. I only used it once, which was today, of course, because it's just a try-on video. But I can tell I'm probably gonna love this. Like, I'm probably gonna love this product. And this product right here, this first product right here, retails for $42. So this must be some really good stuff. So the next product I'm gonna pull out that we're gonna try on is gonna be these right here. These are the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo set, and these together retail for $25 because it's a duo set. So these retail for $25. They're high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. And that is absolutely 100% true when I swatch these. So we are going to use actually both of these shades today, right now. So I'm going to go ahead and go into this purple. I'm going to see if there's any. They're absolutely right. No fallout came out of this. I normally like to go in with a transition shade, but for today, we're literally just doing a small try on, and I don't mind just only doing purple and silver. This is really glowy. I like started to not want to do this eyeshadow because I was like, oh my gosh, I have done so many pinkish purplish eyeshadow looks already, and I was like, you know, but anyway, I'm trying these on to test it out and love it. There's absolutely no fallout, guys. See? No fallout. Okay, let's move on to, I'll move over to the next side. When I wanna be all alone, just one of them days. When I gotta be all alone, just one of them days. Don't take it personal. Wanna be all alone. This is like my new favorite pink. Seriously, this is like, but it don't even look pink. It looks purple, unless I'm seriously colorblind. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys. So I received mine because it's like two different sets you could have received. And this one, I have it in Huckleberry for this one. And then this one is French Vanilla. So that's a duo set I received. Was Huckleberry and French Vanilla. I seriously would look into like purchasing from this brand. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with French Vanilla. And I'm going to take this brush and see how this one does. I actually may try to spray this brush and see how it applies, if it's more shinier. So let's try this out. It's nice. I might get a better brush for this application. The eyeshadows, definitely not loving how they're clashing with my look right now. They look kind of. So the next product that I'm pulling out of my box is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. It's an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a full loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. This mascara retails for $23. So let's go ahead and use this, okay? For this one. Okay guys, so I like this mascara because typically on days where I normally wear too much, only lip gloss and mascara, then this would be my type of mascara. Other than that, for a girl who don't have much lashes, this just didn't do me much justice. But it's probably because I didn't curl my lashes and I only did like 1 to 2 coats, but not really that big. So they're okay though. I like when my lashes are separated. I don't like clumps and stuff like that. So this is great. There was no clumping. So I think I will love this. At least for a simple mascara, it's okay. Okay, so the next product is going to be this Becca. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. This product retails for $39. So let's pull this out. So I have mine in the shade Golden Bronze. And it literally looks like it'll be my color. That's crazy. But packaging is so gorge. Love that. So let's try it out. I love that it has a actual like part that opens and closes. That's so convenient. And apparently on my pants. Okay, anyways. So we're gonna dust this all over. Ooh, it feels it feels good. It wasn't mine at all. It feels so good on the skin. Oh, what the crap, yo. This is so cool. Oh my god. Okay. This is probably gonna be one of my powders, like for life, in my powder collection. This is some new cool crap. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. This is perfect for the summer. And it's about to be fall. Like, the weird thing is this junk feels wet and cool and like, oh my gosh, it feels so good. Like, it feels so good, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Like, and this is actually my color, it seems like. Let me pull out my mirror and check. I really don't do finishing powders, really, guys. I don't know if you ever noticed that in any of my videos of where I have applied makeup or like in the very few makeup tutorials. I never use setting powder except for under my eyes. Is that weird? It probably is. I'm kind of just dabbling into makeup, really, and I've never found a way to really like do a finishing powder. This would probably be okay if I just do one sweep around my whole face, not like 3 sweeps like I just did, because to me it looks cakey. And probably because I have huge pores, so that don't make it any better. It really looks cakey when you see your pores. It just look like dry. So I don't know, but it did feel amazing applying on. Like some really cool crap I've never felt and heard of or seen in my life. Like amazing. So it's amazing. Like I said, I would do one light sweep around my face. I won't use as much as I did because I do, in my opinion, I look like I have on makeup now, and usually my makeup don't look like that, like skin wise. So this product is okay. I will play around with this some more. Oh, you can see me recording. But no, I will play with this some more. So the last product in my BoxyCharm box for the month of August is the Steve Laurent pencil, and this is a lip liner. This lip liner reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day. Lasts up to 7 hours. This pencil retails for $15. So let's go ahead and try this out and see what it's talking about. The swatch was very beautiful with this pencil, but I'm sorry, it looks like I have literally nothing but dry lips right now. So, you know what, I'm just going to move on and apply my product. I actually used this product in my last video. So, you guys, if you did like it, loving this applicator. If you did like it, I actually will be selling it next week. The crazy thing is this crap smells so good. I don't know, it's so weird. I didn't notice that the first time I tried it. Well, guys, that lip liner didn't do anything to my lips. I tried it twice, you know. I don't know if you guys know any tips or tricks about lip liners. For the most part, colors that are like red and pink. I'm really not a lip liner girl, to be honest. I'm a lip gloss, lipstick, liquid lipstick, boom. Don't need any liner. But I will come outside of my box and try liner one day. So I'm going to take this mist and just finish off my look really quick. Okay guys, so these were all the products that I received in my August BoxyCharm box. I feel like this box was okay for the $21 that I paid for this box. I will have the whole value of all these products down below in the corner right here for how much the whole total value was of this box. I will leave a link as always down below if you're interested in BoxyCharm or learning more about BoxyCharm. I personally recommend it. You're going to love it. As always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you join my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. And you guys have a wonderful day or night where you are. And thank you so much for watching my video.